I think anything you can't understand probably doesn't exist. I mean, one of the weird things that we do is we have sanctioned ideologies. And, I suppose to somebody milking their cows and spinning wool in the 12th century, Thomas Aquinas was the equivalent of quantum physics. And he said, well, good thing these priests are on top of it, because we simple folk can't understand it. Well, so now we have particle physicists and quantum physicists, but even they admit that matter has now become so wacky that the grand enterprise of the conquest of reality through reason has revealed that reason has no place in the domain of reality. That reality itself is not reasonable. Rupert was just describing to me a conference he was at with Dennett, the guy who wrote Consciousness Explained. You probably all know that book. And it should have been called Consciousness Explained Away. But anyway, Dennett was saying, I want to get rid of magical matter in the brain. I just believe the brain is this and that and the other thing. I want to get rid of magical matter. Well, there was a quantum physicist there, Stefan Glashow of Harvard, and he said, well, I've got news for you, John. Quantum physics has turned matter into magical material. So now the whole program of saving reason has to be abandoned. The prosecution of the understanding of nature has pushed us to the point where we see that matter itself exceeds rational apprehendability.
So what does that mean? Giving up codifying stuff? I mean,
It means giving up the idea of closure.
Yeah.
That there's not
conclusions.
No conclusions. I was just at a conference where I met all these people from Ecuador, and there was an anthropologist there. Some of you may know this guy, Sparrow Miller, and he lives with the Warane in Ecuador. And he told me, he said, the amazing thing about the Warane is that they don't think anything makes sense. That's their official explanation of the universe, is that nothing makes sense.
That's true to me.
And so they are completely at home with that. Consequently, their contribution to epistemology has been vanishingly small. On the other hand, they have a very good time and are quite comfortable with their wives, children,
In other words, they
animals.
don't understand anything.
Why should we understand? Look at us. We wear penis sheaths and paint ourselves blue. You're asking us?